I'm Prince Lopez. Welcome to Science Grade 6 Kadwada. Today I'm going to show you the two types of mixtures. Mixtures formed by combining two or more materials. There are two types of mixture, the homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixtures. I have here the materials. I have here the salt, the water. Let's put the salt to the water. And let's mix it. This is the example of homogeneous mixture. This is the example of homogeneous mixture. It's a mixture which has a uniform composition. The particles of the mixture are not visible by the naked eye. The particle cannot be separated by the filtration. I have here the other materials, the rice and the candies. Let's combine the candies and rice. This is the heterogeneous mixture. It's a mixture which has a non-uniform composition. The particles are visible by the naked eye. The particles can be separated by filtration. Mixture of rice and chocolate nips is an example of heterogeneous mixture.